In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NordVPN to watch Netflix from another country. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set things up, connect to the right location, and start seeing the content library for that region. As always, make sure you follow local laws and the terms of service for any platform you use. First, you'll need NordVPN on the device you want to watch on, whether that's a computer, phone or mouse, or tablet. Go to the official NordVPN website or your device's app store, create an account if you don't already have one, and download the app. Install it like any other application and let it update to the latest version. A quick tip here: a stable internet connection will make the whole process smoother, especially for streaming. Next, open the NordVPN app and sign in with your credentials. If you've set up extra security like two-factor authentication, complete that as prompted. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard with a map and a list of available countries and servers. Now, choose the country you want Netflix to reflect. If you're aiming for the US catalog, look for a server in the United States. You can use the search bar to find the country quickly or scroll the server list to pick one with a lighter load for better speeds. If you find a server that works particularly well for streaming, you can mark it as a favorite to get back to it faster next time. Go ahead and connect. Tap or click the server you want, then wait a moment while the app establishes the secure tunnel. You'll see a confirmation once you're connected. Some users like to enable features such as the kill switch for extra privacy. That's optional, but it can help keep your connection secure if the VPN drops. With the VPN connected, open the Netflix app or visit Netflix in your browser. Netflix should now show the library for the region of the server you chose. If you don't see the change right away, try closing and reopening Netflix. On a browser, you can also try a quick refresh or a new window. If streaming feels slow, switch to another server in the same country or choose one geographically closer to you for better performance. That's it. You've signed up, logged in, selected a server, connected, and launched Netflix with the regional library you wanted. Enjoy your shows, and if you ever run into issues, try a different server or reach out to NordVPN support for more guidance.